Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to take you through how to install Ansible in Ubuntu machine. Before moving to lab session, we can understand what is Ansible. So Ansible is a open source automation tool. So configuration management, and assume that you are working organization, you are doing for manual task repeatedly, you want to make them to automated, so Ansible will help you that. So Ansible having for a YAML based playbook. So once you return up for playbook, so every time you used to apply for the playbook, it will do for the deployment all the remote servers. So for that case we are using Ansible. So you are going to install for Ansible, so prerequisite for that. So operating system Ubuntu machine, that is for 20.04 and 20.204 or 20.04 LDS. So this is a prerequisite operating system which you require for install Ansible. So privilege that you need to be for sudo user or access record for root user, and Python also required for in order to install pre-install for Python 3.8 or higher than that. Internet is active and connection. Disk space at least we have minimum 5 MB preface. So there are multiple way to install Ansible for our Ubuntu machine. So I'm going to show you now. So for recommended for beginners. So let's get for lab session now. So for that I need a for AWS free tier account. So already I have AWS free tier account which I logged in over there. From there I'm going to launch EC2 instant, then I'm going to install for Ansible. So for that I just click for launch instance. Here you can select Ansible master node. I can select for Ubuntu, which is a free tier, and the 24.0.4 is the operating system. So third step, so I'm going to create a key value pair in order to connect this machine. So already I have multiple keys, but now I'm going to create a new key pair. I'll give name for Ansible, create a key pair. So now it's been downloaded. Then you need to create a security group, or if you have any existing security group, you need to select over there. Now I'm selecting for create a new security group. So if you have any configuration storage which you need to record, so you can configure over here. And I'm selecting for Ubuntu machine, or how many instance that you want for install. Now I'll select for one instance. I'm going to give a for launch. Once select the launch buttons, it will be creating for our Ubuntu machines. Now it's been created. So this is my instance details over here. I can see that instance ID, public IP address and private IP address, and the instance states is running up and running. You can also find the details over here, and monitoring, security group, networking, storage and tags, everything. So now I'm going to connect this instance. So I'll select for connect now. So for this case, so I'm going to use for in order to connect Git Bash tool CLI. So I'm just copying this and I'm typing here for Git Bash. Once it is open, I need to move it to directory called downloader, where I can download my key. So for that I'll list the directory, move to downloads. So I can see, I'll give for ls. So my key is available here, and that I given a name for Ansible. It's the PEM key. So using that key only, so I'm going to login now, so I'll paste it over here. Just copy from here and go to Git Bash and bring yes. So now successfully I have login for my Ubuntu machines. So I'll now is my local user. I need to be become for a super user. So for that I'll give a command called sudo -su. So now I become for root user instead of Ubuntu user. And now we are going to install our Ansible. So for that I'll go to my documentation. So I'll just copy this. So this will be updated for a necessary package. I'm just copying and go to Git Bash and run it. So the command has been updated. Let's wait for another to update this machine and copy this separate command. So now I'll do what this upgrade y. That command also successfully installed. Done. And now I'm going to check Python version. You just type command called python 3 version. So Python already has been installed. Now we are going to install our Ansible. For that I am going to use first method, apt installation, recommended for beginner. So if it is not installed any Python version, I am recommending you to install Python 3.12 and above versions. So you just copy sudo install apt-get prerequisite and ss Ansible. You just copy this command, run for this. For these cases, so we need to install one by one. So in order to copy entire command, just copy like this and come to Git Bash and run it again. And moving to next command, sudo apt-get repository s. From here you need to copy, run it again. So now the Ansible repositories has been configured. And moving to, now we are going to install for our Ansible. Just copy this command and come to Git Bash and run it again. So now Ansible starting installed. Alright, so we have installed Ansible. In order to check either Ansible install or not, we have the command called Ansible version that you need to run it. That you just copy command Ansible -version, copy, come to Git Bash and run it again. Now you can see Ansible core version 2.20.0.2 available. The configuration file is a Ansible configuration. So we have installed successfully Ansible for our Ubuntu machine. So next we are going to do for the test connection in order to local. So you just copy this command Ansible localhost -ping. So in this command what will do, so it will bring our local host Ubuntu machines, and we can expected output like this: success, change, false, and ping pong. This is a command that going to check it now. So for that I am going to run it. Yeah, so here it is. So successfully it's pinged now, and also we have installed Ansible, properly. This is what we need to do for in order to install Ansible in Ubuntu machines. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.